If your pool filter cartridge is damaged, fixing it fast is key to keeping your water clean and clear. So, here's the deal. First off, always turn off your pool pump before messing with the filter cartridge because you don't want water spraying everywhere or, worse, getting hurt. Next, open the filter housing carefully and pull out that old cartridge. Check it for cracks, tears, or if it looks super dirty. Sometimes cleaning it with a hose works, but if it's damaged, no amount of rinsing will help. When you're ready to replace it, make sure you get the exact size and type for your filter model. Using the wrong one can mess up your whole system. Slide the new cartridge in smoothly and close the housing tightly. Don't forget to prime your pump again before turning it back on so everything flows right. Keep an eye on your pool pressure gauge. High pressure usually means it's time to clean or change the cartridge again. Also, swapping out your cartridge every 1 to 2 years can save you from bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool filter cartridges is ignoring the pressure gauge warnings, which often leads to clogged filters and poor water circulation. Fix this by checking the gauge weekly and cleaning or replacing the cartridge when needed. Another common problem is using a generic or incorrect cartridge that does not fit properly, causing leaks or inefficient filtration. Always buy cartridges designed for your specific pool filter brand and model. Lastly, some folks try to extend the life of a damaged cartridge by just spraying it down with a hose, but cracks and tears won't go away like that. The fix is simple. Replace the cartridge as soon as you spot real damage to protect your pump and keep your water crystal clear. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about pool care and repairs. Plus, contractors can find real projects there, making it easier to grow their business and help more people keep their pools in top shape.